people have been using ginger compress for many years, and they are frequently utilized as a part of the treatment of poor blood flow or chronic diseases like sore muscles, back pain, swellings, rheumatism, and arthritis. There's no better approach to eliminate poisons, break down kidney gallbladder stones, and cure ovarian cysts and fibroids. Ginger compress. Ginger compress is a cloth or gauze that has been dipped in hot ginger water. Medical advantages. These aromatic compresses have various purposes: unease, backache, rheumatism, and arthritis. Treat mastitis and ovarian cysts. Improve pore circulation, reduce swelling, and soothe sore muscles. Instructions to make your own ginger compress. Needed things: 1 liter of water, grater, whichever you have at home, a cotton bag, needed to infuse the ginger in the pot, 120 grams fresh ginger root or 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, a big pan with rubber gloves, 1 towel and 2 gauzes. Preparation: heat the water directly until it starts to boil, and cover with a lid to maintain consistent temperature. Grind your ginger, place it in the cotton pack, and close it with a string. The same process is for ginger powder. Put it in the water, turn it off, and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Put your gloves on, and deliberately crush the tea pack. You have prepared a liter of fresh ginger water. Then the next thing is to make the compresses. How to put the compress? In the first place, get settled. Because the process will keep going for half an hour, you should simply more than once apply the pack onto the affected place. You must wear the gloves, else you may burn your skin. Dip the bandages in your ginger water. Press any abundance fluid, apply them onto the influenced range, and cover with the towel. The towel ought to be dry. Keep in mind, the packs ought to be hot. However, be cautious, you do not need to burn the skin. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rehash: keep your skin warm the entire time. Perform your treatment for 20 to 30 minutes. Perform this treatment for 5 to 10 minutes, contingent upon your condition. Rehash following a couple days until your condition ameliorates. In case you're suffering from ovarian cysts, do the treatment on a daily basis for 2 weeks. In case you're suffering from mastitis, put the ginger onto the influenced range 3 times each day until your condition ameliorates. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.